Looking for an off-road challenge that's all about balance, technique, and big grins? Let's spend a day trials biking in Lancashire. This full-day experience starts with a friendly briefing before you gear up and get matched to a trials bike. Then it's on to purpose-built sections where coaches guide you through tight turns, climbs, and control drills, perfect for confident beginners through to intermediate riders. Mornings focus on skills and balance. After a lunch break, you'll link sections together for longer runs. Expect plenty of pointers, resets, and high fives as your control improves. If you love technical challenges or want to sharpen your bike control, Trials is brilliant, no license required. Bikes are allocated to suit your height and experience, and the emphasis is progress over speed. Sessions typically run at weekends near Clitheroe. Exact meeting details come with your booking. Bad weather can mean rescheduling, and prices and availability can change, so always check the latest before you go. Your package includes the trials bike, helmet, boots, gloves, and protective trousers, plus expert instruction throughout the day. Ready to give it a go or gift it to someone who'll love it?